Hi guys, so let's make this delicious rolled omelette. Okay, so this is actually very simple and very delicious. So I'll be using spring onions, carrots, and egg. So first you wash your spring onions, you dice it, and then you wash your carrots and you do the same thing to it, you dice it. If you want to add other stuffs to your omelette, you can, feel free, but I used just this as vegetables. Then I added pepper, rodo, and onions to it, and that was all. If you feel like adding more things like maybe bell peppers and all of that, please feel free to add any other thing you want to add. Feel free to add. Yeah, so this is just what I'm using. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Okay, so the hard part of this omelette is the rolling part, because guys, the pan is hot, but you have to actually roll the egg. You have to roll the egg on the pan while the pan is hot. So that's the only hard part of this thing, but trust me, this is delicious, like very sweet. So after dicing all your what's it called, veg, you break your egg. So I'll be using 3 eggs for this because I want enough omelette. So I'll be using 3 eggs. You can use 2, you can use 1, any of the above, but I'll be using 3. So after breaking my eggs, I'll just mix them. Yeah, I just mixed them, sorry. Then you add your veg. Adding my carrots and my spring onion, so you can add that and whatever veg you used to, you add and you just mix. Then next you go in with your pepper. I added spicy pepper to it, so yeah, you can, if you don't have spicy pepper or grinded pepper, fine, no wahala. Or if you don't want it spicy, fine, no wahala. So after that, I added my rodo and my onions, which is also not compulsory. So many people don't eat pepper, so it's not compulsory. So yeah, after that, I added my spice, my maggi, that's my maggi, and then my salt to it, and then I mixed. And that's all. Like, that's all for the what's it called, for the omelette. So that was all we used: carrots, spring onions, rodo, onions, egg, and spice. Then after that, you get your pan, you put it on fire, you add little oil or butter to it. Once it is hot, you spread your egg on the pan. So when the the omelette is dried a bit, when it is dried a bit, then you can roll. Or when it is fully dry, as far as it's not burning, when it is dried, yeah, now you can roll. So you have to be careful with this part so that you don't end up burning your hands, and so that you don't end up scattering the egg. So my phone kept going off and I didn't know, since I was the only one videoing myself, so sorry about that, but my phone actually kept going on off in some parts. So yeah, sorry about that. So you keep folding, and as you're folding, you're shifting, you're adding more eggs, you're folding, you're shifting, you're adding more eggs, so you're done with the egg. And that is all. You just have to roll it and leave it on the fire a bit for it to dry more. If you don't want it wet, you can leave it on the fire for it to dry more, and after that you just take it off fire, and that is all. You can decide to dice or slice your omelette, or you can decide to just eat it like shawarma, any of the above. So what do you think about this recipe? Have you tried it before? Would you love to try it? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section, and please feel free to let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from, so we can make a shout out to you. Thank you. So this is just the omelette. It is beautiful. I don't know why my phone is showing it this way, but this is actually really sight-saying. It is beautiful. And not just that, guys, this was actually delicious. You can eat this like that, or you can decide to eat it with any sauce of your choice. So thank you for watching. We hope to see you on our next video. Please have a nice, wonderful, and amazing day. Thank you. Bye.